I've spent half my life looking for the reasons things must change, and half my life trying to make them stay the same. But love would fade like summer into fall. All that I could see was a mystery. It made no sense at all. The will of the wind, you feel it and then it will pass you, blowing steady. It comes and it goes.
Hi guys! Ayan guys, so may chip lang tayo. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then, halaya. Tunay kayang halaya to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And kasaba. Yeah, this is my favorite. Kasaba. Ayan. Tikman natin. Parang ang sarap na. Ito yung kasaba guys. Then, ito yung leche plan. Tasty. Palamigin ko muna. Okay. Then, ito yung halaya. Pang dessert ba? Pag ang ulam mo isda o tuyo, pang palis ng ngisi ba? Yan. Ba't parang may kulay? Yan guys, pang dessert namin para pagkakain. Shout out everyone and happy Friday everyone. Thank you so much sa suporta sa channel ko. Thank you. Till my next vlog. Bye. Love you all guys.